First, though, this. A surprise in a Sacramento Superior courtroom today where a driver accused of causing serious injury following a high-speed chase failed to appear for his arraignment. And tonight, the widow of a man the suspect killed 10 years ago is speaking out.
Just having to relive the nightmare again. It's just unbelievable.
So something of a bizarre turn of events in court today where the driver accused of causing the serious injuries in that chase refused to appear before the judge even though he was behind bars.
So let's go to KCRA3's Mike Lurie. He's live at the Sacramento County Jail with more on how this could really happen. Mike?
Kelly and Gulson, it doesn't happen often, but criminal justice experts tell us that the defendant who's locked up here behind bars at the Sacramento County Jail, Scott St. Pierre, can in fact stall and delay his own arraignment until he faces those charges.
The defendant is refusing to appear. Based on that, the court will find the constituted arraignment 1 day.
The judge is giving Scott St. Pierre another day to face formal charges following Thursday night's high-speed chase and crash on Auburn Boulevard that injured a 23-year-old man.
What's your name? I'm Scott St. Pierre.
The 39-year-old defendant has been in custody since 3:30 Friday morning, charged with evading police and causing serious bodily injury. He was supposed to be arraigned today, but he refused to come out of his jail cell.
It's conceivable that the judge may allow him to do this day by day for 2 or 3 different appearances, but at some point the judge is going to justifiably say, okay, that's enough, bring him to me.
Criminal defense attorney Bill Portanova, who is not involved in this case, told us judges can order prisoners to be extracted from their cells, but are reluctant to do so over concerns about injuries and lawsuits. Often they wait them out. And while St. Pierre is playing a stall game, he's still facing a felony warrant for skipping court on charges of possessing methamphetamine with intent to sell.
He hasn't been rehabilitated, in my opinion, and I believe first go round he didn't serve enough time.
Mandy Walker Miller is talking about the case that took the life of her husband, Jerry Walker, who was on his way to work 10 years ago when St. Pierre plowed into him high on drugs, killing the corrections officer. St. Pierre served time for manslaughter, but this new accident has opened up a raw wound for Walker Miller.
But I am shocked that he was allowed to be out again and do this. And I really, if I could plead to the court and to the judge, is that put him away, don't let him out so that he can't hurt anyone else.
St. Pierre remains overnight once again at the Sacramento County Jail. He's supposed to again appear tomorrow. If he refuses to appear, well, the judge has the option of entering a not guilty plea for him and moving this case forward. Reporting live from the Sacramento County Jail, Mike Lurie, KCRA 3 News.
Well, Mike, let's talk a little bit about the law. Doesn't the law require arraignments within 48 hours?
It does. Defendants are in fact guaranteed that right constitutionally, that to be arraigned within 48 hours, but it's not necessarily a guarantee because if they refuse to appear, it's like surrendering your right to have that 48 hours and you stay in jail. Not a very good strategy.
All right. Mike, thanks.